Hi friends, we are back after making the clock as shown in the part 1.
Hi.
Yeah, so as in the part 1 I told that we can stick the end points with the tape. Okay, so it will not come out. So this is ready. Okay, so let's start learning clock for kids. Okay, so while teaching them about clock, uh, first thing is the direction of the clock. Okay, so Moksha, show me here in which, yes, so this is the direction in which clock moves. Moksha, what is this direction called? Clockwise direction.
Clockwise direction.
So let's make it the direction. Moksha, stop please. Yeah, that's okay. So let's make the direction also here, because kids may not remember it. Okay, so this is the direction we are making here. So this is the direction, and what is this direction called?
Clockwise direction.
Okay, so clock always moves in clockwise direction. Okay, let's start with the hours. Don't confuse the kids with the minutes. And before that, Moksha, this long hand points to the long hand shows the
Minute.
and short hand is for the
Hours.
okay.
Minutes
So
hours.
yeah, and we just have to read the hour which is just passed by the hour hand. Okay, we just have to read the hour which is just passed by the hour hand. Got it? Okay, Moksha, what is the time? How many hours?
3 hours.
Moksha, how many hours?
4.
How many hours?
5.
This minute hand will always be on 12. Okay, that means it, we don't have to concentrate on the minute hand wherever it is. How many hours, Moksha?
5.
Yes, very good. How many hours?
6.
How many hours?
7.
How many hours?
7.
How many hours?
9.
How many hours?
11.
Great. How many hours?
1.
How many hours?
2.
Great. So this is how we have to read the hours. In the next video later on we will read about minutes. We will read minutes.
One more, please.
Okay, what you want to do?
6 hours.
Yeah, this is 6 hours. Bye bye. See you in next video.